we have a Ford Focus cluster here. The complaint from the customer is that the gauges don't work all the time. What the customer has to do at the moment is tap it on the top and then it starts working and then it stops working again. So we're going to put it in for repair and we're going to see how it gets on. So the cluster's come back repaired, so let's just see how it goes. So I've got it connected up to a diagnostic machine at the moment, so we're going to see the gauges moving. So we're on Speedometer at the moment, so if we press for the gauge to move, you can see that the gauge is moving. Okay, that's just come out of it. I'm going to try it again. Okay, so we'll try it again. So we just press for the gauge to move and it's moving fine. That's off, on again, off again. We also can test other bits here. So I'm going to test the tachometer as well, this one here. So go to there. This is Autel that we're using. So if you switch it on, the tachometer moves, and we can switch it back off again. We could check all the gauges with this. And it's all working. We've tested it all and it's ready to go back to the customer.